Good morning and welcome to our today's lesson. I'm Teacher Albanus, taking you through mathematics today. And I would like to look at fractions, because according to the work that I gave on Friday, it shows that some of you have forgotten about fractions, especially multiplication and division of the fractions. So let me go through this and remind you about multiplication and division of fractions. For example, when you are given an exercise like this, example 1, we have 2, 3 over 4 times 1/6 divided by 1/3/8. You are told to work out that we have 2¾ times 1/6 divided by 1/3/8. First thing, change into improper fraction. The first thing is change into improper fraction. Change into improper fraction. So this will be, that will be 3, that is 4 times 2 plus 3, which will give you 11 over 4 times 2 times, that's 6 times 1 plus 1, which is 7/6, divided by 11/8. From there, the next step, once you change into improper fraction, the next step here, you multiply by the reciprocal of 11/8. That is, from there you go to, we have 11/4 times 7/6 multiplied by reciprocal of 11/8. So once you multiply by that, you get, this is 11/4 times 7/6 times the reciprocal of 11/8 will be 8/11. From there we can simplify by 4/1, by 4/2, by 2/1, by 2/3. So we have 77 over 33. That is, or here we can cancel here again. We can cancel that again. So we have by 11. So that will remain is 7/3. Should not leave your answer like this. Simplify further. You take 7 divided by 3. Whereby you get 2 and 1/3 as your answer. So you should we have these steps. Change into improper fraction. Multiply by the reciprocal. Then after that, you simplify by cancellation. Another example on the same. You are told a third of 15 times 3/4 divided by 1/4. You're trying to work on that. So this will be, first thing I've said that Because here we do not have mixed numbers, we can work out directly by just because this is the division, we work out this and multiply by the reciprocal of a quarter. So this will be equal to a third of, you can simplify direct here, by 3, 1, by 3, 5. So here we have 5 over 1, always our number, we put it over 1, times 3/4 multiplied by the reciprocal. We multiply by reciprocal over a quarter. So this will be 5 over 1 times 3/4 times 4 over 1. When I work out this, 4 will cancel with the 4. We have 1, 1. So we remain with the 5 times 3, which will give you 15 as your answer for that example. Again, we can be given a third example. If you are given this kind of a question, now we have a mixture of different symbols apart from multiplication and division, whereby you are given, that is example 3. You are given a third over 15 minus 3 times a quarter divided by 3. You are told to work out that. So if you are told to work out this of means is the same as multiplication. Of is the same as multiplication. So we start by finding a third of 15 because we have recorded as body mass. We follow the body mass here. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So the sign that comes first is we have the brackets, but in our question we do not have brackets. So we go to of. So find a third of 15 first. That is the first step. So this will be a third of 15 by 3, 1 by 3, 5. So this will give us 5 there. Then from there, we have our 5. We come and express our question like this: 5 minus 3 times a quarter divided by 3. We have there now. We go to the next symbol or the next sign, and that is division. This is our division here. We have division. So from there, we work out this division. This is over 1. So this will be 5 minus 3 times a quarter. We multiply by the reciprocal over 3 over 1, which will be a third times a third. Up to there now, we finished with the division now. We go to multiplication. So by 3, 1, by 3, 1. So there we have remained with the 5 minus a quarter. So 5 minus a quarter. That is what has remained here. Because you have 5, this is 1. 1 times 4. Times a quarter, you get a quarter. So from there we go to that. When you subtract 5 minus a quarter, when you subtract, you get your answer as 4 and 3/4. 4 and 3/4 will be your final answer. So you follow the body mass here according to the way the symbols follow each other, or the signs. Last example of the same. Last example about combined operations. Sometimes the question might have different signs mixed together. For example, in this case, we have this example. Total 5 butter, 3 and 3/4 minus 2/7 of 14 times as 7. We are told to work out that. Here we have minus of multiplication. So we have the body mass there. What we shall follow is that body mass, whereby we start with the brackets. Now we have brackets there. So we work out the brackets first. So we have by 7/1 by 7/2. So here we remain with the 4 times, that's 2 times 2, you get 4. So we have 3/4 minus 4 times 1/7. So from there, we do not have a division. So we go to multiplication. So we have there, not like that. So this will be 4 times 1 gets 7. So here this is 4/7. 4 times 1, 4, then over 7 minus 3 and 3/4. So we subtract this by using the LCM. LCM here is 28. I know you know how to work out LCM. So we have 28 divided by 4. This also will give us 7. 7 times 3, 21. 28 divided by 7 will give us 4. 4 times 4 get 16. Then we have the whole 3 here. So this will be 3 is 3, a whole number. Then 21 minus 16 will give us 5/28 as our answer. So once you are given such questions, learner, try to follow the body mass. Then you follow the steps that I've shown. Try to follow body mass and follow the steps that I've shown out there. If it is division, you multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction given. Division, we multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction given, or the fraction of the divisor. Otherwise, learner, I'd like to wish you a nice day. And the exercise that I'm going to give out, work it out and work it out well. Thank you for your audience.